Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to embed a Lucidchart diagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To embed a Lucidchart diagram into a platform like PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even a website, you can just follow these simple steps. Number one option is once you are logged into your account, go to the file or document that you wanted to embed into any platform. But if you haven't already, just click the new button on the upper left corner. You can start from a blank document or create from template. Now, if you can find an embedded kind of form for a template, project brainstorming with Notion, we're not going to do with that right now, but instead let's go for a very simple template. Let's start with a simple storyboard. If you want to preview that to make sure that this template makes it easy to provide a high level of your project, click this use template. What will happen is you would be forwarded to the Lucidchart diagram builder. It takes a little while. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of dynamic here. Go to the image. I'm going to add a certain image. Now, once the image has been added right here, the next thing that I'm going to do is very simple. Go to the file section on the upper left corner and click the embed button. Now, you see when you embed here in Lucidchart, you continuously update a document on your intranet or web page. This makes your document publicly available, all right? Having said all of that, you might want to choose the size of the embed here. For a small, the measurement is 480 by 360, the medium is 640 by 480, and large is 960 by 720, and you can put in a custom size for that. But for now, we're going to stick with the small. All I have to do is click the activate embed code. I'm going to copy this. Click on done. Now, you might want to switch to your different platforms that you want to embed this diagram. In my case, I'm going to log into my Squarespace account. I'm going to click the get started button. Now, I'm going to close this. Instead, I'm going to one of my already established studio. Go to the account dashboard. I will be forwarded to the, for example, this. Click the website. I will be forwarded to the website builder. In this section, there is an edit button here on the upper left corner. I'm going to click on that. Takes a little while. Now, in this section right here, there should be an option here to embed. Click the add block. You see that embed code? Add the embedded code here. You can also add a custom featured image if you want. You see that is going to be the embedded code. Wait for it to load. Takes a little while. You see that? That is the embedded code from Lucidchart. You see that? Amazing, right? Now, once you have embedded this to your website, all I have to do is click on save. All right. I think I'm happy with that. The next thing that I'm going to do is going to my other platform, which is, but before that, I'm going to make sure that this is saved and this is going to be published, and then Shopify. And then I'm going to the online store. There should be an option that says themes. I want you to click the theme editor. Click the edit code. It would be forwarded in this section. From here, all I have to do is embed the code. All right, so it's very easy. You see this, click on edit. All right, and then maybe put it down at the bottom where you can put in the meta embed code right here, maybe around just here, the very bottom, before the bottom. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna click on save. So basically we have embedded the code for both Squarespace, and Shopify. So these are going to be some of your options. All right. After doing so, go back to the exit. If you want to preview your store, you should be able to see there is, you see that the code has been embedded here on your Shopify store. It's very easy. All right. So I have already put in the code for my both Shopify and of course my Squarespace. Now, if you want to embed your Lucidchart diagram in PowerPoint, we have a separate video for that you might want to check in our channel. All right. And then after that, now going back again to the main file that we have created. Now, another option that you can look into is embedding it as an interactive link. All right. How do we do that? Again, go to the file, go to the embed section. You might want to make sure that you activate the embedded code. And then I want you to go to the share button. You might want to click this link or go to the publish, wherein you can use this as a full document URL, using that as an interactive link, right? Full document URL. All right. And then from here, click on the generate link. Now, paste the copied Lucidchart URL when clicked during the presentation. How do we do that? For example, in this case, we're going to create a presentation builder, add a new slide. I'm just gonna make it here. Second slide is this one right here, the chart. And then present slides. Now, during presentation, you might want to opt in to open the diagram in Lucidchart. All right. Embed link here. And then after, another option is you can simply go to send to Google Slides. But the thing is, it would ask for permissions from your Google Slides account to your Lucidchart. And we have a separate on how to do it. All right. So you might want to check that in our channel. But essentially, embedding Lucidchart diagrams into presentations or websites, all right, or even like other platform, will simplify the context information into an interactive diagrams, allowing users to explore and engage with content in a more dynamic way. All right, when embedded directly via tools like the Lucidchart add-in or any updates to your website, they are reflected automatically in your presentation or document, saving time and ensuring accuracy. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.